Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you how to do it yourself fixing iPhone screen. So as you can see, the screen, the phone fell down and it messed up the screen, and the only thing you can see is this part, so you can't use anything else. So today I'm gonna replace this screen and put a new screen that I bought on eBay for, I think it was $16. So this is a new one. Yeah, this is a new screen, and they came with a screen protector. I'm gonna put a link in the description, so in case you need one for cheap. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna first unscrew the screw over here, these two screws. Let me see if I can, yeah. Let's see. Put it down. Then you're gonna take this guy, and sometimes when you buy screens, they come with this stuff and other things. So you're gonna put it on the screen, then you're gonna pull it, and what I do is when I put it, it gives me some space, and then I pull my nails in like this, and just pull my nails in, or you can use this guy. Yeah, my camera is what do you call this? Focusing on, I don't know, on the whatever. But take this off. See, pull this. I forgot to turn off the phone, but that's the first thing you do. So I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, remember to turn off the phone before you do it, but I forgot. Then after this, hold the phone at a 90-degree angle, and then you're gonna have to unscrew this part right here. You're gonna have to unscrew this. So I'm gonna need this. We do. So you unscrew that. If you want, you can take a picture with a different phone or something, so you remember how everything goes. But it's pretty easy. You take this bad boy off, and then what you do is take this off, this stuff, and this one. There's three of them. And that's the old screen. And then we're going to put a new screen. So how you put it back is you put this stuff back on the phone. Make sure your phone is at 90 degrees. Don't do it like this, because you might end up breaking these. You don't want to break these. So make sure every time you try to do it at 90 degrees. Or just put your phone down, because it's easier. And just take each one. You first start with this one. Yeah, sorry, the battery of the camera went off, so I have to put a new battery. So once you're done putting this in, all you have to do is you have to turn on the phone and test it. So as you can see, the screen is good. We're gonna turn it on, test it, and then yeah, maybe I can go ahead and take this off. Yeah, it says disabled. Maybe somebody put a passcode for too many times. But as you can see, the screen works. You can click, see the numbers, everything. Yeah. And then so after you're done that, you put this back together, back on. So after you're done, you put this back. It got some teeth over here. You just gotta insert it first and then put the phone, push everything else down. Don't force anything. If anything it's not working, just don't force it. Try to figure why it's not going down. You just push. So as you can see, the phone works. Put a passcode in. The phone works. The Touch ID doesn't work. You're gonna have to format it whenever you put a new screen. You have to format the phone to be able to use this Touch ID with the fingerprint. But everything works. The back camera, the front camera works. It's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put the two screws, and then yeah, it's in. Now I'm gonna take out these. Since this screen is new, I don't have to do nothing to it to clean this. I'm gonna just take advantage and put a new screen protector. I don't know why this screen protector is blue. But we will find out. So what I do is I peel half of it and then I put it on like this. Oh yeah, it's not showing. Put it on left, right, at the bottom. And now we put a new screen protector. And then another trick that I do is take my card and then what you do is scratch. It doesn't matter which card, as long as it's plastic card, debit, credit, student card, whatever. You know, scratch and take out the bubble gum, bubbles, whatever. Try to take out as many as you can. The rest, the heat from the screen is gonna take it off. Let's try to take as many. Yeah, as you can see, I don't have a lot. You know, it's almost gone. But yeah, so, and then the last step for the screen is to take out the front part. Yeah, these bubbles that's left, you know, a lot of them, they're gonna come off with the screen, the heat. You know, when the phone get hot, the screen gets hot, it fixes it. You know, there's nothing much you can do about it. But that's about it. So comment, like, subscribe, and come back for. By the way, what I'm doing here is called Forex trading. If you're interested in learning this recession-proof skill set, you can DM me. I'm gonna put my Instagram in the description too, so DM me and then let's talk about it. It's a nice skill to learn, very interesting.